Ready to dive into data without diving into code? Let's make it happen. One of the most common questions I get is, can I become a data analyst even if I'm from a non-coding background? The answer is a resounding yes. The beauty of data analytics is that it's not restricted to any specific educational background. It's all about the skills you bring to the table. I've seen folks from all sorts of backgrounds, BCom, BA, civil engineering, even medicine, transition into data roles. And guess what? I'm one of them. Coming from a civil engineering background, I made the leap to data engineering after working as a data analyst. If I can do it, so can you. So, if you're willing to learn the necessary skills, you've got this. Ready to start your data journey? Give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips.